My dear guys, if you want to be strong in English, if you want to be fluent in English, if you want to be skilled in English, if you want to be strong in English grammar, in such a case, this video is only for you. Okay. Today you are going to learn about how different kinds of questions are formed using WH words. Okay. Whenever you try to converse with others, you have to make different kinds of questions. Okay. Therefore, if you learn how different kinds of questions are made applying the WH words, you will feel no hindrance in the field of English in spoken or in writing terms. Okay. Therefore, today I am going to teach you about how different kinds of questions are made with the application of WH words. Okay. There are so many WH words that are used in our conversation or in our speech, because of which I have made this video only to assist you about the formation of WH question. Okay. Use of WH words that are mostly applied by the speakers of English. Okay. Now, first of all, try to learn the use of who. You have to make different kinds of sentences applying who. As for example, you can say, who are you? Who is that person peeping through the window? Who is so base to be a bondman? Who is the tallest player in this team? Okay. এইভাবে মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস বিভিন্ন ধরনের সেন্টেন্স তোমরা WH ওয়ার্ডগুলো দিয়ে ব্যবহার করা শিখবে এবং প্র্যাকটিস করবে। ওকে, আফটার দ্যাট ইউ আর গোয়িং টু লার্ন দ্য ইউজ অফ হোয়াট। দ্য ইউজ অফ হোয়াট, হোয়াটস your condition in such circumstances. Okay. What kind of color do you prefer most? What is the use of that statue? Okay. What can be used in a different kinds of sentences? Okay. Next example, for what. In Bengali, for what means ki jonno. Okay. As for example, you can say, for what purpose have you come here? For what reason do you stay here? Okay. The application of for what. Please mind it. After that, you are going to learn what kind of. What kind of? কি প্রকারের? What kind of food have you prepared? What kind of example do you want to give here? What kind of interest do you have? Okay. Try to make different sentences, different interrogative sentences applying the WH words. Okay. Next example, how. How means কিভাবে, কত, etc. Okay. How old are you? How are you in time of winter in Kashmir? Okay. How did you help the poor men? Application of how. After that, you are going to learn the application of how long. How long is the road from Kolkata to Bardhaman? Okay. How long this letter may be? Okay. Now we are going to learn the application of how far. How far is the school from your house? How far is the post office from this railway station? Okay. The application of how far. After that, how many? These two words, how and many, are used before countable noun. Okay. How many cows are grazing there? How many boys are playing in the field? Okay. How many examples can you give us to learn the meaning of it? How many of you were present there? Okay. Thus, how many as used. Okay. After that, how much? How much may be used before uncountable noun. As for example, you can say, how much milk is there in the bottle? How much milk does this bottle contain? How much honey do you want to taste? Okay. Or do you want to have? How much? How much time have you spent for your exam? Okay. After that, you are going to learn how often. How often? How often does Mr. Bose come here from Kolkata? Okay. How often have you beaten the little child? Okay. How often have you faced so many problems in life? Okay. How often does he come here to say something to the villagers? How often? After that, you are going to learn the use of how fast. How fast does Rajdhani Express run? Okay. How fast can you speak English? Okay. How fast is the pen moving over my head? After that, learn the application of whose. Whose Bengali meaning kahar. Okay. Kahar, whose. You may use whose in sentences to form questions such as, whose umbrella is this? Whose is that garden? Whose guidance do you want to have? Okay. Whose advice do you want to take? Whose. Now learn the application of whom. Whom in Bengali, kahake. Whom do you love best? Okay. Whom did you call to meet you? Whom did you telephone yesterday? Okay. The application of whom. Now, you are going to learn the application of by whom. You may use it in passive sense. By whom were you helped? Okay. By whom were you helped in a critical situation? By whom was this glass broken? Okay. Now learn the use of With whom? With whom in Bengali, its meaning is kar sathe. With whom were you going to the market? With whom will you buy vegetables in the market? Okay. With whom like to stay here? After that, you are going to learn beside whom. In Bengali, its meaning is kar pase. Beside whom were you sitting in the classroom? Beside whom did you stand in the queue? Okay. After that, against whom? Against whom did you make a protest? Okay. Against whom? After that, learn the use of for whom. For whom are you waiting here? For whom are you thinking so much? Okay. After that, learn the use of which. Which is your favorite subject? Okay. Which garden is favorable to you? Which person is liked by you? Okay. After that, learn the use of by which. By which will you go to your school? By which instruments did you make this tool? Okay. By which. After that, with which. With which are you writing now? Okay. কিসের সাহায্যে তুমি এখন লিখছো? With which are you writing now? After that, learn the use of in which. In which. In which circumstances have you solved this problem? Okay, in which. After that, for which. For which purpose have you come here? For which. Next example, on which. On which are my books are kept? On which did you sit? Okay, after that, where? Where are you coming from? Where are you going now? Okay, after that, from where? From where are you calling me? From where are you watching me? Okay, from where? My dear learners, applying this method and in such a way, please do try to form different kinds of questions applying WH words. And if you are able to accomplish it, you will feel no hindrance in your conversation with others in English. Okay? See you later. Bye.